All right, afternoon. This is day number 4 and the final day. As you can see, we have now finished with the installation. This is the floor that the homeowner picked, and we already did a full demolition, removed everything that was here, if you remember from one of the earlier videos and pictures. And now we have just finished installing this white oak distressed floor. Forget the slight shininess, there was some cleaning done just to make sure it was nice and clean for everything else. Took roughly 3.5 days. And down here, our guys here made a transition piece using the existing material. In fact, they made several, because at least this way they match the floor now, because any other transition piece wouldn't look the same, because this was an engineered floor. That one right there. And also that one right there. It's the exact same material, so it looks the exact same way as the rest of the floors. It's nice white oak. Yep, came out pretty good.